y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alicia V, and today we're here to do some DIY Bora Bora braids. I'm using 3 packs of 20-inch double drawn water wave braiding hair from EayonHair.com, and it is actually some beautiful hair. So I'm starting off with braiding my hair down about 5 or 6 times just to get a good grip on my roots. And then the way I'm adding in the hair is I'm putting it underneath my index finger and my middle finger. I'm pulling the end that's curly down, so the straight end would be a lot shorter. But I do think that I should have maybe stretched it a little bit and pulled on it so it wasn't so blunt. But honestly, I used so much of the curly hair that it covered up any of the imperfections I had from the straight ends. But just for y'all to try it at home, I would go in comb those straight edges off just to give them a frayed look so they'll blend into your hair. But to me, I used about 5 or 6 pieces of hair per braid, so I have more than enough curly hair to cover up any imperfections that I would have inside of my actual braids. Now, this is not my first time doing knotless braids. This is my first time using human hair with my knotless braids, and I'm just gonna say I don't know if I could ever go back to doing synthetic hair braids, because these are I still have them in, and they are so beautiful. The hair is perfect. I literally have washed it a couple times. I've been in the pool, I've been in the ocean, I've been in the rain. My hair is a little frizzy, but the curls, the curly hair, is perfect. I really wish I would have went to a real braider to use this hair. I probably will buy this hair again to go to the Africans to get my hair braided professionally, but this was last minute, and I really wanted to DIY because I didn't want to spend $300-400 on knotless braids right now. I just could not just took braids down previously, so I just did not want to spend that money again. But using high quality human hair is a game changer, y'all. I think that I don't ever want to go back to synthetic hair. This hair is so good. My hair looks so good. I'm looking at myself right now in the mirror while I'm making this voiceover, and it still looks so good. Even though my hair is a little frizzy, whatever, it looks still good. And people are like, oh, you went and got your hair braided again? I'm like, no, girl, I did this myself, honey. It's not tangling, it's not shedding. I did put knots on the end of each one just so it wouldn't fall out, because I did braid a piece of curly hair on the end of each braid, and I knotted it. I haven't had any of my hair fall out. I haven't had any of the silky hair, the curly hair slip out or anything. So I really, really am enjoying this style. I really am enjoying this hair. I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to let y'all watch me finish my hair off and see the end results. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you are watching the slow down parts where I'm showing you how feet in the hair. It's hard to explain it with words, but if you watch it, you should be able to tell what I'm doing. I'm literally just putting the hair under my index finger and my pointer finger, grabbing the curly end. I put it in my mouth in the front, but in the back, I clipped it up or whatever. And then I just continue to braid it down. Literally, that's all. But you want to leave about 3 or 4 inches of straight ends on the other end to braid down. You don't want to pull the curly hair in too much, because it might not be enough to grip it, and it might slip out or whatever. So that's my only big tips. I will say that this hair is super full, so if you do want a full look like me and you want most of the braids to be covered up by curly hair, you want to add those curly pieces higher up on your hair. You want to add curly pieces high up, and you want to bring them down. I use about 4 or 5 pieces per braid. That can be a lot for some people, but I think it's really good density. I didn't do small braids. These braids are kind of medium, so they're not heavy. They still look really full with curly hair, and I'm really liking my results. So I'm done talking for real this time. Just watch the rest of the video. I'm gonna come back at the end and talk to y'all with the end results.
Speed it up. Hold on. 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 Speed it up. Speed it up. Scotty. Hottie. Charlie. Wally. Got it. Good brain. College. Good brain. A frame. Body. Move same. Body. My plane. Private. Never change. Wallet. No shame. I got it. Couple planes. Watches. I lay. Versace. Speed it up. Speed it up. Eat it up. Eat it up. Eat it up. but I go fight for you. I got my eyes on you. You got vibes on you. I love you, die for you. Ladies, but I'll live my life for you. I got my eyes on you. You got vibes on you. Yeah, I we could go on a vacation. Have fun, maybe all night long. Yeah, yeah. We could go on a vacation. Have fun, maybe all night long. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Give me slow wine in a fast car. I get money like bastard. You know, feel reach my last card. I want to know your cash app. Oh, you want to make me do shit, no?
So these are my final results, y'all. I am so happy with my hair. Do you see these curls? You can't tell me I didn't go pay somebody $500-$600 to do these braids, and I literally did them myself. But the hair is the key. If you're a beginner braider, I think that this is a really good style for you to try because you can't really see the braids. Like, they're in there, but they're not super visible. So, like, any imperfections, any of, like, the feeding, if it's, like, kind of weird, it's okay because you can't even really see it for real. And you're not adding braiding hair, like connecting braiding hair, which makes this whole process a lot harder. I think the connecting hair is what makes your hair stiff. It's what makes it heavy. So without that, I really think that you could do it. Like, even if you're not a expert, if you don't braid your hair all the time, you could pull this off, especially with this hair. If you like hair tutorials, braid tutorials, I do have quite a few on my channel already. They are a little older, but honestly, the style still count. Like, they still look good. They still hit even years later. So if you like braid tutorials, make sure you go back and watch some of my older ones on my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm really coming back with more hair tutorials. I stopped doing hair tutorials for a while, but I'm back at it. I'm back doing my own hair. My hair has grown tremendously since the last time I was on here doing any kind of braids or anything. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. That's where I do all my short form content. Also Instagram. And I'm just excited to see what's gonna come. So just make sure you like this video. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. I'll be sure to answer any questions you guys have. And I'll see you in the next one.